Coconut oil is a versatile and safe product with many uses. Due to its natural properties, it can also be used for cleaning. One of the main advantages of coconut oil for cleaning is that it is a natural and gentle cleaning agent. Therefore, unlike many commercial products, it does not contain harsh chemicals. It is effective in removing dirt, grease, and even tough stains. Here are some of the ways to use coconut oil for cleaning. Wood surface cleaning. Coconut oil can polish and moisturize furniture and other wooden objects. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or lemon juice. Then, apply a small amount to a clean cloth and rub gently on the surface. Adhesive removal. Coconut oil can help to loosen sticky adhesives on surfaces such as glass, plastic, or metal. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rub gently with a cloth or sponge. Leather cleaning. Coconut oil also helps to clean and condition leather items such as bags, shoes, and sofas. Apply a small amount of the product to a soft cloth and rub gently on the leather surface. Then remove any excess with a clean cloth. Stainless steel and silver cleaning. Use coconut oil to remove stains and marks on stainless steel surfaces. Apply a small amount of oil to a clean cloth and gently rub the affected area. Then wipe with a damp cloth and dry with a clean cloth. In addition, you can use coconut oil to polish silver items. Cookware polishing. Coconut oil can polish metal cookware such as pots and utensils. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to a clean cloth and rub on the utensil's surface. Then wipe with water and soap and dry thoroughly. Rust prevention and removal. Coconut oil helps prevent rust on knives, scissors, and other metal objects. Apply the product to the utensil, let it sit for an hour, and then wash it in warm water. Did you enjoy learning about coconut oil's uses outside the kitchen? If you follow one of these tips, let us know the results.